Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today spotlighting our trunk pop kit for the S550 Mustang. Over the years, vehicles have been equipped and updated with creature comforts, and often we've kind of looked at them and thought, do we really need this? I mean, let's face it, when seatbelts came out, people thought, why do I need to strap myself into a car? When cruise control came out, people thought, geez, I can just keep my foot right on the gas pedal. When trunk pop kits come out, they think, well, I can just open my trunk lid. Well, you know what? Technically, you're correct. But the reality is, each of these things, as we've gotten used to them, really benefits us every day, or at least every time we drive the car. So here we are talking about our trunk pop kits. Anybody that has pressed the trunk release in their Mustang realizes that, well, it pops the trunk, but it doesn't open it. This is where these come in. Now again, it's one of those little things in life that make it better. Our clutch spring is a great example of this. A shift knob is a great example of this. Driving pedals are a great example. They enhance your everyday enjoyment of the vehicle. More importantly, it makes it easier to load things into the trunk when the trunk lid not only opens, but actually pops all the way open, so you don't have to put things down on the ground in order to put them in the trunk. So whether you're loading it with car parts, or if you've gone to the local horse feed store, you can load these things into the trunk without taking any hands off of your product. You have the trunk lid open and waiting for you. Although these look like normal trunk struts, and really they are designed the same way and install the same way, in fact you can install these at home in just a matter of minutes, it's the insides that really make a difference, and we really worked hard to develop something that would do what we needed it to do. It's not just the initial trunk opening, but it's actually the lid flipping all the way up and open, again giving you access to the trunk. Now to have the right spring pressure and really the right dampening, I mean just like your struts and shocks in your car, you have to get the trunk lid to open, but you don't want it to fling forward too hard. In fact, I can tell you during the development, I was out in our Red 18 and they hadn't told me that we were trying these just yet. And I popped the trunk and you know what? It almost nailed me in the face. The reality is we did genuinely spend time developing this. This means we needed enough spring to get the trunk lid to open, enough dampening to slow it down so it wouldn't slam open, nor take your head off like mine almost did, so I took one for the team. We've developed two kits, one for Mustangs with no spoiler or a small lip type spoiler on the trunk lid, and one for performance pack wings and bigger wings. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please be sure to pop the subscribe button. See what I did there? Or visit us at Steeda.com to learn more about these. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.